Let's get right into it. Tropical storm Chantal is the talk right now. That is going to be making impacts into the Carolinas. That's going to be Myrtle Beach and Charleston area that will be interfering with. If we go over to the Eastern Pacific as well, we do have some areas of concern. That's going to be 20% chance of formation in 7 days, and also another one as of 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 70% chance of formation. So we have some interesting topics to talk about. Central Pacific is not going to have any concerns at all for residents that live in Hawaii there. That's some great news for people who live in Hawaii. No major things to talk about as of right now. We can go ahead and look and see how that tropical storm is going to be impacting the Carolinas right now. Right now, we have the tropical storm. Right here is about Myrtle Beach and Charleston area of the Carolinas. We can have this run up. So, this storm is not going to be a main concern. It's not going to be strengthening. It's going to be making contact with land. As soon as it makes contact with land, it's going to die out and probably become a tropical depression or whatnot. If we enter in and we continue to keep looking on through those models, we don't really see anything that sparks attention from the GFS model as of right now. That is good news, but we will keep continuing to look at these runs over and over. Like you may have runs like that spark over as July 18th, but that is out of the 7 day window. So any of these models could change, any of these could be outliers, but it's something to definitely look out for as it could potentially be the next tropical storm or even a major hurricane as well. That is not to say that that could form, but it all depends on how things play out. So that could be an outlier, or that could just be an actual storm that actually shows up. So we have to wait and see and get more data and more information as we go on about that storm right there. Our main concern right now is Tropical Storm Chantal, though. That should bring not major events to the Carolinas, but probably some flooding. That's why those coastal flood advisories and those tropical weather statements are issued. Some winds could potentially be around 40 miles per hour in those areas. It's not major, not like hurricane force winds, but you still want to practice your safety, get to those safe shelters during a flash flood warning or even those coastal flood warnings, since the beaches there and the water could push up towards those sections of Myrtle Beach and all of those beaches along the Grand Strand and even more towards the outer banks of the Carolinas as that storm continues to push. Those tropical storm warnings do uplift and seem to show, though, as they continue to gradually go up the Carolina coast, bringing those tropical storm force winds. So I do want to make sure that everyone is safe. Make sure you have your NOAA weather radio, all hazards, and all of your ways to get alerts through your phones. Make sure everything is charged there for our folks there in Myrtle Beach. For the Carolinas and the coastal area, for the National Weather Service in Charleston, we do have a tropical storm watch that is issued for coastal areas near Charleston. The waters are going to have tropical storm warnings, though, bringing those winds to 40 miles per hour possible for those areas. From the National Weather Service in Wilmington, that tropical storm warning is going to remain in effect for central Horry County and coastal Horry County. That's going to include Myrtle Beach, Conway. Also, that tropical storm warning is going to be in effect for areas like Georgetown and the coastal areas potentially near Wilmington. We already are starting the flood watches as those rains could bring some flooding to those coastal areas, and that's why those coastal flood warnings have been sent out from the National Weather Service as well. I want to thank you guys for watching and taking time out of your day. If you have any questions, make sure to comment and also like this video and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Hey, Michael here. This is my first video. I do want to talk to you guys about some things about the upcoming and what is going on right now in the tropics as we speak. We do have Tropical Storm Chantal to talk about.